To fix Facebook dating not showing, follow these steps. First, ensure that your Facebook app is up to date, as an outdated version may cause issues with Facebook dating. Open the App Store on your device, search for Facebook, and install any available updates. Next, check if Facebook dating is available in your region. Facebook dating is not available in all countries, so it may not be accessible to you depending on your location. You can check the Facebook Help Center to see if Facebook dating is available in your area. If Facebook dating is available in your region, try restarting the Facebook app. Sometimes, simply closing and reopening the app can resolve the issue. If that does not work, try logging out of the Facebook app and then logging back in. Another potential solution is to check your Facebook dating settings. Make sure that you have opted into Facebook dating and that your dating profile is complete. You can do this by going to the Facebook app, tapping the 3 horizontal lines or menu icon, and selecting Dating. From there, you can review your settings and make any necessary changes. Additionally, check that your location services are enabled for the Facebook app. Facebook dating requires access to your location to match you with people in your area. You can enable location services by going to your device settings, selecting location, and making sure that location services are enabled for the Facebook app. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app. This will delete all of the app's data and settings, so you will need to log back in and set up your account again. However, this can sometimes resolve issues with Facebook dating not showing. Finally, if you are still having trouble with Facebook dating not showing, you can contact Facebook support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more detailed guidance on how to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Facebook dating not showing and start using the feature to connect with others.